Wait.
Renegade,
Go.
renegade,
Go.
renegade.
Hey, Reezy,
Go.
got one. Go. Go. Oh, go. Yeah. Go. Let's go. 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 Go.
To do the renegade dance, first hit the whoa by bringing your left arm down in front of you and bending your right arm up. Then, clap your hands together. From there, create a figure 8 by swinging your top arm in circles. Now do the wave with both of your arms, extending the movement from your left arm all the way through your right arm. Next, do the X formation by bringing both arms in and crossing them together to form an X. Move your hands up so the backs of your hands hit each other. Then, move your hands back down and slap your elbows. Put both of your hands up in front of you, like you're signaling someone to stop. Then, make a fist with your hands and swing your left arm from one side to the other. Snap with both hands. Next, lean forward, to the side, and back. Cross your arms in front of you when you lean back. Now, face one side and hold both of your hands flat with your palms facing up. Swing your arms back, then push your hands out in front of you. Move your hands closer to your shoulders and repeat. Then, move your hands above your head and back down to your shoulders with your palms facing down. Move one hand away from you and snap. Move the other hand away from you and snap and dab. Swing your left arm out in front of you, then cover your face while rolling your head back. From there, push one hand away from your face while you breathe out, followed by your other hand. Now, place your hands behind your head and pop your hip 2 times. Cross your arms, touch your hips, and pop your hip again. Finally, uncross your arms, touch your waist, and pop your hip one more time.
Wait.
Renegade,
Go.
renegade,
Go.
renegade.
Hey, Reezy, got one. Go. Go. Oh, go. Yeah. Go. Let's go. Go. Go.